Meta is quietly executing one of the most ambitious AI infrastructure build-outs in tech history, led by CEO Mark Zuckerberg, who believes AI is no longer just a tool but the platform of the future. In 2025 alone, Meta plans to invest over $65 billion into AI infrastructure, laying the foundation for its super intelligent ambitions. At the heart of this vision are gigawatt-scale data centers like Prometheus and Hyperion, clusters so massive they rival the size of Manhattan, spanning over 60 kilometers or roughly 7,500 soccer fields. These are not just buildings, they are AI factories, housing millions of GPUs, custom-built MTIA chips, and bleeding-edge power systems. But what exactly is a GPU and why does it matter? A GPU or graphic processing unit was originally designed for gaming graphics but has become the engine of modern AI. Unlike CPUs, which process one task at a time, GPUs can handle thousands of simultaneous calculations, perfect for training massive AI models like chatbots, vision systems, and language engines. Meta packs these GPUs into ultra-high performance servers, each with 8 to 16 H100 chips, then clusters them into racks that form the digital backbone of their compute empire. Each of these AI superclusters consume over 1 gigawatt of power, enough electricity to run 750,000 US homes at once. To keep operation stable, even in blackouts, Meta builds an on-site 200 megawatts natural gas plant at each site, capable of powering 150,000 homes by itself. Instead of traditional buildings, Meta uses fast-deploying tent-like prefabricated halls filled with 10,000 high-density server racks. Each drawing up to 92 kilowatts, the equivalent of 75 homes running non-stop. Inside each rack are 3 to 4 GPU servers, each hosting up to 8 GPUs, meaning a single site could have 30 to 40,000 GPU servers and well over 50,000 total machines when adding storage, CPUs, and networking nodes. Now multiply that across at least 6 to 8 global superclusters being built across Iowa, Alabama, Texas, Idaho, and Nebraska, and you are looking at more than 400,000 servers and millions of GPUs, all interconnected with 400 gigabit per second optical networks, fast enough to download a full HD movie in under a second. But infrastructure alone is not the end game. To push the boundaries of what's possible, Meta has launched Meta Superintelligence Labs, MSL, a new elite AI research division built by attracting top minds from OpenAI, Apple, and Google, offering the resources and scale to go beyond current AI frontiers. Their mission is not just to scale Llama models, but to build next generation's multi-modal AI agents trained at exaflop scales, capable of reasoning, perception, and decision-making far beyond today's systems. In essence, Meta is quietly forging a new industrial revolution, where instead of oil or steel, the raw material is data, and the machinery is AI infrastructure, and the output is intelligence at planetary scale. We once built cities from concrete and glass. Meta is building cities of computation where the product isn't physical but pure accelerating thought.